Hey guys, welcome back. Got another pack of Pokemon cards to open. Last time I had to re-upload the last video, it was deleted, but before it was deleted, a lot of comments saying it was a fake opening, fully sealed, mate. Nothing fake about it. If you remember last time, I was saying my home was being taken away. Now my home is being kept. Wait on, guys. Is being kept with me for now. I got 5 likes on my last video too. So next time, guys, definitely this one. Bomb it, guys. A lot of likes. So let's do the card trick. Big shout out to Max Mofo. He's the guy I watch mostly for my videos. Shout out to the other guy. What's his name? That American fella. What's his name? The American guy. Leon Hart. Shout out to him. I've heard he's having a lot of problems lately. Sorry about that, mate. Leon Hart, Unlisted Leaf. I watched that fella. He's a bit weird, bit of a Michael Jackson vibe, but he's alright. We'll go a Psychic. Water. So yeah, got the home back. Looking for work still, guys. Definitely looking for work. Local TAB won't hire me back, unfortunately. I was hoping they would take me back. This guy again, Skanklet. Fan favourite, I believe. Definitely someone likes him, I'm sure. This guy. This thing. Come on, I hate, mate. 10 cards, we don't need them. Give us the Sonic, you know? We don't want to look at this shit. Nah, they're alright, mate. If there's someone we can donate bulk, sorry. Donate the bulk cards, let us know. Some kid might like looking at them. I used to like looking at them when I was a kid. I didn't understand the actual value. What's that? Is that Sony or? Come on, waste of cardboard. You're buying them. You're paying $2.50 for them.